Installation of the dispenser is easy and only takes a few minutes. The dispenser can be installed by direct mount or by bracket mount. The top of the dispenser should be at least 3¼ inches below any grab bar or other object to ensure clearance for loading. To mount the dispenser directly to a wall, open the cover using the provided access key. Position the unit on the wall so that the top of the unit is level. With the front cover open, mark screw locations where indicated. Secure the unit to the wall with 4 screws and appropriate anchors. To mount the dispenser using a mounting bracket that is sold separately, ensure that the bracket is at least 4½ inches below any grab bar or other objects. Position the bracket so that the top is level and the arrow points up. Secure the mounting bracket to the wall with 2 screws and appropriate anchors. Fit the dispenser onto the bracket while engaging the clips. Lock into place by gently pulling down until it clicks into place.